How to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a single step for you to be able to complete and set up your Google Authenticator app via the Binance application. Now the very first thing that you want to do is to open up your Google Play Store or any app store available on your device. From here, you just need to download straight the Google Authenticator app, which is going to be this one. Before setting it up, make sure that you downloaded Google Authenticator first so that it's going to be more convenient. Next thing to do is, of course, open up your Binance application and make sure that you're logged in. Now from here, at the top left portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines. Tap on that. And then if this is going to be the old version, you just need to go into the gear icon, which will redirect you into settings. But if you're currently running the latest version of Binance, then all you have to do is to tap on this arrow pointing to your right, usually located beside your user profile. And then in here, below that, you should see three options like verification, security, and X, Twitter, or any platform. Choose on security, and you will be redirected into the two-factor authentication or the 2FA. You simply tap on the Authenticator app and then just simply choose on enable, and then a verification code will be sent out to the email address associated with your Binance account. Just simply follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to set it up without any problem. And that's how you set up Google Authenticator on Binance.